YouTube? It's Tony back at it with another video. Just showing off a couple lights that I have so far. There's a old rechargeable LED blue point light. It's not that bright, to be honest. It's only shadows one area, if you can see it following it. And then here's the Milwaukee. 2 modes. You can see how bright it is under the hood. That's even brighter. Pen light for precise areas. Works pretty good. UV light for dyes, for oil and freon leaks. We have this old antique style shop light that's just terrible, bulky, not bright at all. And if you're in a pinch, I guess it works. And you have this monster light that you can see is dirty. It gets used pretty much every day. How bright it is. Lights up the entire area that you're working on. I got this Makita 12 volt max light. Pretty good. Not too terrible. Then I have Snap-on. It's got your regular light. And then you got another feature. Can't really tell the difference with the video, but it's more of a white light for body shop guys, for paint blemishes and stuff like that. And then I use this all day long. The Streamlight Bandit. 2 tones. You got high, you got low. And you got high. Got another Snap-on magnetic. And then if you hold it, it goes dim to brightest setting. There you go. And pretty good for under the hood. So I'll use a combination sometimes. I'll use the Milwaukee on the high settings. Then might use my monster light and get an added feature just in case if I had to do like a TXV, get some extra light back there, or a heater for outlet hoses, or work on purge for rewire, repairing wires, or just replacement components. I should be able to shove this light down in there, get some extra bright lights. But I think between the Milwaukee underhood light is my favorite, and then the monster, and then my Snap-on, well, blue point pen light. Check belts. What's up, YouTube? Well, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. But at the bottom of the link, I'm prioritize my favorite down to the least that I use. So hope this helps you if you're starting out with your your light collection. I'm just gonna keep on adding, to be honest, because every situation is a little different. So you need that tight space. You're gonna go with a smaller light. If you need something brighter and to give you more light in a big area like a hood, you're gonna buy an under hood light. So just let me know how you like it. I'm gonna be making more videos. Been kind of crazy at work, so there it is. So hopefully I'll be posting 1 or 2 videos a week. Just got to get prioritize some video time and some editing time. So thank you. Thanks for watching.